Alright guys, it's my strobe light setup. You can ignore that, that's my walkie right now, connected to EMS. My strobe light setup finally. Got a lot of strobes now. Guys, I know it's gonna be a tough one tonight, guys. Expecting a fuckload of snow. Fuck. I'm waiting for my mechanic to come out real quick, check out my fluids. I know I need brake fluid for a fact. Fuck, my battery died. Shit, battery dead. So yeah guys, I got all the weight in here now, so I'm stuck in two-wheel drive like I said guys. She works pretty good. Toolbox. I think I left it unlocked. Yeah, I did. Jumper, straps, light. Let me turn on my headlights guys to show you. My lights suck ass. Fog lights work, everything works. Interior's LED. LED! Alright guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Be safe out there. We're expecting a shitload of snow. I don't want no one to get hurt, you know. I got my truck set up, so I'm pretty good. Hopefully I don't slip. Well, I know I'm gonna slip once. Nothing new. When you're stuck in two-wheel drive, crap happens. Alright guys, like, comment, and subscribe.